Yo, what's up friends? I'm Shoel Azari and welcome to the 16th episode of Smack That Monday. This week's Instagram feature goes to Stop Thinking Official. Follow him on Instagram. Link is given in the video description. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue. In today's episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a bottle of Coca-Cola or Pepsi or any soft drink appear just from nowhere. So without any further ado, let's begin our today's tutorial. Okay friends, so this is how you're going to be doing the appearing bottle of Coca-Cola or Pepsi. In my case, I have a bottle of Pepsi and here's how you're going to set up. You're going to put the bottle of Pepsi in your back pocket right over here. And you're not going to put this Pepsi fully inside. You're just going to keep a little bit of Pepsi bottle inside and then you're going to keep the most of the part outside from your pocket. So you're going to need a scarf. You can borrow a scarf like this from your spectator or you can use your own scarf. I just don't know if you carry a scarf. I don't carry one. This was just in my home, but you're going to need a scarf like this or any big handkerchief will do. You're going to need that handkerchief and you're going to hang that handkerchief over here on your hand, and as you hang that handkerchief, you're going to look at that handkerchief. That is the greatest misdirection that you're going to create. By looking at the handkerchief, your spectators are going to think that something is happening inside the handkerchief, and as you raise your hand like this from the front, you can see that the handkerchief is actually guarding this entire area, and you're using your other hand just to come back over here and grab the bottle from your pocket. Now to place the handkerchief in this position, what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to show the handkerchief is empty from this side, and then again from this side, then again from this side. And as you come over here and as you cross like this, you're going to keep the handkerchief over here just like this. So right now the handkerchief is hanging over here on the arm of one hand. So what you're going to do right now is you're going to guard like this and you're going to pretend to do something inside the handkerchief while your actual hand is actually going back and grabbing the bottle. So you're looking at the handkerchief while you are grabbing the bottle and then you're pretending to blow the handkerchief. So as you're pretending to do that, you grab the bottle like this and you take it out and you come over here. So from the front, under the cover of your handkerchief, you're grabbing the bottle out like this, and as you're looking at the handkerchief and you're blowing it, you are secretly bringing the bottle front under the cover of the handkerchief. So the spectators don't know that you have already placed the bottle under the cover of the handkerchief. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to just pretend to do like this, and it looks like you have just produced a bottle of Pepsi or Coca-Cola or any soft drink under the handkerchief just by using magic. So I hope you enjoyed learning this cool little magic trick of how to make a bottle of soft drink appear from nowhere. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at Shoel_Azari, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Okay, so that's it for today, and peace.